kanyang birthday song. Kaya ilang taon na nga si Kuya Miguel? Please, come on, ilang taon na daw si Kuya Miguel? Come on, ilang taon na siya? 4. Alright, bigyan natin ng 4 na bagsak si Kuya Miguel. Come on, 1, 2, 3, 4. Very good. Alright, so everybody, come on, let's sing a happy birthday song. 1, 2, 3. Alright, so sabi ni Kuya Allen, nakapela daw tayo para daw marinig natin kung gaano kalakas kumanta yung mga kids natin. So ready? Happy birthday to you! Happy birthday to you! Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday. Alright, mas malakasan may kasamang palakpak ko. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Alright, Kuya Miguel, make a wish and then blow your candle. Come on, make a wish. Alright, again. Oh, wait lang. What is your wish first? Alright, Kuya Miguel, you may now blow your candle! Come on! Alright, bubble natin si Kuya Miguel. Alright, of course, Mommy and Daddy, birthday wishes po para kay Kuya Miguel. Daddy first, Mommy first.
Wish ko, maging happy, healthy, and wealthy! Yay!
How about you, Daddy? Birthday wishes! Birthday wish! Hindi na practice. How about you, Shelby? Do you have a birthday wishes for Kuya Miguel?
Yes.
Wow, very good. How many birthday wishes do you have? Kids, count. Come on. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 4. Kasi 4 lang yung fingers ni Jollibee. Alright, Jollibee, your first wish? 4 lang. Alright, your first wish? Kuya Miguel wants you to become what? Alright, a God-fearing person madasali daw may lakad si Diyos. Your second wish? Si Kuya Miguel wala maliit hanggang kalaki ay maging isang matalinong bata. Like what? Like Mommy and Daddy, of course, and Johnny G, and Ate Liza, and Kuya Allen, and everybody. Alright, very good. Your third wish? Kuya Miguel, oh no, sabi ni Johnny, no. Alright, your third wish? Kuya Miguel wants you to become? Ayan, a strong, healthy, wealthy, like what Mommy said.